Greetings and welcome to a world of cutting-edge technology and endless possibilities. Today we dive into the fascinating realm of artificial intelligence, or AI for short. Throughout this journey, you'll gain a fundamental understanding of what AI is, its key concepts, the different types of AI, its numerous applications, and the challenges and opportunities it presents. Imagine a machine that can think, learn, and make decisions just like a human. That's the essence of artificial intelligence. But it's not just about mimicking human intelligence. It's also about improving processes, solving complex problems, and creating value in ways we never thought possible. From the virtual assistant on your smartphone, to the recommendation systems on your favorite shopping websites, and even the self-driving cars of the future, AI is revolutionizing the way we live and work. To fully grasp the concept of AI, it's crucial to understand some key terminologies. Think of machine learning as a child learning to walk. It stumbles and falls, but with each attempt, it learns and improves until it can walk without falling. Similarly, machine learning enables computers to learn from data and improve their performance over time. Neural networks, on the other hand, are like the human brain, composed of interconnected nodes or neurons that process information and make decisions. Algorithms are the rules or instructions that guide these processes, and datasets are the raw materials they work with. AI comes in different forms, each with its own capabilities and limitations. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, is specialized in one area. It's the type of AI that recommends songs on your music app or filters spam emails. General AI, or strong AI on the other hand, possesses the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks, much like a human. However, it's important to note that general AI is still largely theoretical and remains an active area of research. Now let's talk about how AI is applied in the real world. In healthcare, AI is used to predict diseases and personalize treatment plans. In finance, it's used to detect fraudulent transactions. In retail, it's used to manage inventory and personalize customer experiences. And in entertainment, it's used to create hyper-realistic visual effects. These are just a few examples of how AI is transforming industries and improving lives. However, like any technology, AI also presents challenges and ethical considerations. Bias in AI, for instance, can lead to unfair outcomes. Privacy concerns arise as AI systems collect and analyze large amounts of personal data. There's also the fear of job displacement as AI automates certain tasks. But amidst these challenges lie immense opportunities for innovation, social good, and economic growth. In summary, artificial intelligence is a transformative technology that's reshaping our world. It's a complex field, but with a basic understanding of its key concepts, types, applications, and the challenges and opportunities it presents, you're well on your way to becoming AI literate. Thank you for your time and curiosity. Do consider subscribing for more insight into the world of AI and technology, where the future is always just around the corner. Remember, the journey of learning never ends, and every step you take brings you closer to understanding the digital world around you. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.